Good morning, everyone. It is my last day here in Angeles City, Philippines. You watched my last video, and I know a lot of you guys did watch my video. I appreciate your positive comments, your positive words of encouragement for us moving down to the province. And I know everybody, I would say everybody, but a lot of people are looking forward to our life down there, as we are looking forward to our new life down there, our new chapter of life. So anyways, guys, I am staying here. Let's see, I stayed here last night, Monday night. Today is what, Tuesday night. I needed to find a place to stay. I looked online. Of course you look up online, where do I want to stay? You know what, I don't need a pool. Pools are nice, yeah. I don't need a place where there's a restaurant in it, because a lot of times you're going to pay for the simple reason there's a pool in there, for the simple reason there's a restaurant in there. Of course, location. You know, what do I don't need, you know, all that. I don't need to stay at ABC Hotel or, you know, Candy Towers. They're all beautiful, but that's not what I want. You might say, well, Philly, you can't afford it. No, I don't want to afford it. So anyways, where am I staying? One of the things, of course, air conditioning. You want air conditioning. You want the place nice. You don't want to stay in some flea-ridden hotel where, you know, you wake up with bed bug bites on you, and you know what I'm saying. So I've been here before. I've done a review on it twice, and they've always been very friendly, very nice. I am down here at Rapid Rise Hotel, A Santos Street. How you doing, my friend? A Santos Street, straight up there. I can see it from here. This walking street, probably 4 blocks up the road here. Now, I spoke with the owner. He's been here a while, and I asked him, is it safe to walk from here up to the walking street? Now, I've walked it a million times during the day. I asked him about nighttime. Is it safe to walk at night? And he said yes. He goes, I've walked it many a times. Now, it's up to you. If you stay here and you want to walk it at night, it's up to you. However, right there's the trikes. If you want to be safe, grab a trike. I don't know, toss the guy maybe 50 pesos. Then that's overpaying at 50 pesos. However, what's 50 pesos? Less than $1. You'll be safe. And then you can grab one from up on Walking Street down here at night. If you don't want to walk, it's up to you. If you want to be safe. So anyways, one of the things I do look for is internet. Being a vlogger, I want good internet. I upload videos. You will get a lot of places that will say, yes, we have internet. I call it Facebook internet. It allows you to get on Facebook and Facebook only. You can't upload videos. Guys, I am telling you right now, as a vlogger, I uploaded a video yesterday, the last one you just seen, the last one I just put up about packing and moving out. What was that, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, 15, 16, 17 minutes long? Guys, it was uploaded in an hour. Excellent, excellent, excellent internet here. I look for that. Prices, let's go check out prices. We'll go check out prices. And also, guys, here it is. Here you go, here you go. $150 per hour. That's $400 for the jacuzzi room. I'm in the jacuzzi room, guys. I'll show you that quick then. But here it is, minimum of 3 hours. But $150. Everything's brand new. Within the past year, 2 years, this has been completed. NMAX rental. What is this? PCX rental. I will show you the prices up here. Amazing staff. It comes with helmets. There's the lady you want to see. What's your name again?
Divine.
Divine. Wow. Are you single?
No,
Do you have a boyfriend?
I have a husband.
Husband? Good, good. How many children?
4.
4 children. How about you?
Huh?
Are you single? Ready to mingle? Here's the prices of the bike rental, right? Motorbike rental, 5 days, 900 pesos a day. Of course, the longer you rent, the cheaper it gets. And then here are the hotel rooms. And I'll get her to show us one of the rooms here. All right, guys, I'm gonna step into this short time room, or you can actually rent it for the whole entire time you would want to stay here. But this is a short time room. This is a 3 hours, 450 peso short time room. Here it is. Like I said, these are nice. Like I said, you can go to other short time hotels around here and wake up or leave with flea bites and bites all over your body. This is a nice room, nice mirror there, right? Nice bed. This is a nice bed, and trust me, same mattresses up in my room, very comfortable. You got closet space here. Like I said, you can rent this out for a day, a week, whatever you want. You'd have to negotiate and talk to with them. But these are your short time rooms. All right, what do I mean by short time? Let me show you here quick. Nice TV, cabinet spacing up here, water, refrigerator, bathroom, or as I call it, the CR. Going with the yellow theme here. Nice shower, hot water, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. What do I mean when I say short time? Well, this is Angeles City, Angeles City, let me pronounce it right. Short time. What do we want to do? Do we want to, do you want me to, how do you even say this? You want reality, let's put it this way. You want reality, or do you want fantasy, what people want to believe? Reality is, we all know what short time is. You'll pick up one of the beautiful ladies around here, wherever. You come back to a hotel for whatever reason. All right, like I said, we're talking reality. You know, got guys that are married, or got guys that have girlfriends, and you know, they want to come out and have a good time. The land of temptation, the city of temptation. Of course, they can't take them back to their, you know, their house, introduce them to their wife or their girlfriend, right? So they come here for a short time, and you know, they go to McDonald's, Jollibees, or whatever, grab themselves some food, come sit down here at this nice, fine cabinet, or God, I can't even think of it. Nice, this countertop here, you know, countertop, and they, you know, they enjoy their McDonald's, their Jollibee, whatever. They watch a little bit of TV, you know, they check out the internet, and you know, and then when their short time hours are up, they just leave, right? Where do you want reality? Well, we know what reality is. But anyways, nice rooms, guys. These are nice rooms. Funny story, the owner was telling me he had a gentleman show up here. And the guy said, I had to leave this place. I'm not going to give out the name of this place, but it's not too far from here. He came in here. He said, I had to leave where I was staying. And he showed the owner here. He had bug bites, bug bites from the bed. You know what I'm saying? All over his body. All right. So yeah, nice room here. Then if you want a room fully furnished, and well, let me go show you. Let me go show you these other rooms. All right, guys. I was going to check out a couple of the other rooms here, but they're fully booked. They're fully booked. What I'm going to show you is the room I'm staying in, the jacuzzi room. Now, the other rooms are just like this. They may be set up a little bit different, but they just don't have the jacuzzi. This is the jacuzzi room, the granddaddy of them all, right? I like it. Like I said, it works for me. It works for me. It's clean. It's not dirty. You'll see. Let me show you. Here we go. Here's your jacuzzi, baby. Matter of fact, I was in it last night. Very relaxing, very comfortable. Air conditioned in this room here. All right, then you have here this counter space through here. All right, coffee maker. There's your shampoo, conditioner, body soap. I should take that into the bathroom. Sink. Here's your sink area. Sorry about that. Let me, thought there was more. I'm looking for more lighting. Hang on, let me. Oh, here we go. There we go. That'll light everything up. Your sink, utensils. If you want to cook, you got a stove to cook. You got an exhaust so your smoke goes out. Forks, knives, spoons, cups, cooking pans. Here we go. Cooking pans up here. Did I say coffee maker? What's up here? I didn't even look because oh, that's empty. I didn't even look because I'm not cooking anything, right? Refrigerator, brand new. Very cold. I had water up top and it froze within an hour. Your gas tank. Now these, like I said, this is like a standard room, minus the jacuzzi is what you're getting in the other ones. But they're booked, so I can't go in there and show you. Over here is your CR. Let me open the door, turn the light on quick. Here's your CR, hot water, toilet, sink. Then here's your bedroom. Forgive me for the bed being messy, but I wasn't gonna make my bed big bed. I don't know, I would say queen size bed. Nice air conditioner, and trust me, it works. It's cool. Cabinet if you're gonna stay, and a nice TV. This is it. This is where I'm staying, guys. Rapid Rise Hotel. Those were your short time prices. Let me sit down here. Short time prices. Contact them on the internet. Look it up. Do your own research. Contact them on the internet. Let them know when you're coming. Maybe you can work a deal out with them. Cash is always king. If you're living here in Angeles City and you're looking for a short time hotel, I recommend it. I would recommend it. It's clean. That's what you want. Clean. You don't want to go to one of these cheap places. Hey, I want to go to this place for 1,000 pesos for 3 hours and 4 hours, and I want to take my date there. You don't want to go there and leave there with bug bites all over your nutsack, right? Guarantee you, this is a very good hotel for short-term and long-term, like me. You know, I got some days I got to kill here. If you're coming to town and you only want to spend a couple days just checking out Angeles City, I recommend this place. So with that and my bug bite free nutsack, the next video you will see will be, well, it'll be me, you know, getting out of here. So, all right, guys, we'll talk to you later.